Hello. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use redirect URL page in Bitform. Let's begin. First, click on your form's name. Navigate to the Settings section. Click on the confirmations. Now select Redirect Page feature. Click on plus icon. Please provide the desired URL where you would like to redirect your form. You can also add URL parameter. Then go to the Conditional Logic section. Click on the Add Condition Logic button. Set the condition based on your purpose. Click on the Redirect URL option. Then select your desired URL. Then click on Update button. Now, if someone submits the form, it will be redirected to the provided URL. Let's submit a form. Form submitted successfully. After submitting the form, you will see that the form successfully redirected to the Bitform page in a new tab. That's all for this tutorial. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.